everyone, this is Rocky. Thank you so much for joining my channel. So today is FABLE Friday. I am still sticking with the name. That's just gonna be it. We didn't get any other suggestions. No one said they hated it. So we are rolling with the FABLE Friday from here on out. The first thing I want to talk about is a video that you'll be seeing soon. Is of it's a summary of my experience with HelloFresh. So I can't wait to share with you. I just want to say, sort of tall and short, HelloFresh is for certain people. I don't know yet if it's for me, but I have a full story on what my experience was like, because I always have a story. I always have some drama whenever I try something new, and this is no different. So stay tuned for that, because you will see that full story and it is worth watching, and I definitely give my opinion on, you know, whether you should or should not try HelloFresh. But anyway, so just giving you a little teaser. Just a little teaser. So let's get right into the things I want to talk about. The very first thing I want to talk about is I have continued on with my newfound hobby of putting puzzles together during this social distancing period. The first one you saw I put together was like a circular shaped puzzle, and I put it in a is it a see-through? I guess it's called a see-through frame, where you can kind of see from the front panel and the back panel of the frame are glass, so you can see through behind it. So it's really cool to be able to see the shape outlined and, you know, have that little bit of dimension to the puzzle. I had two frames, so I wanted to do another puzzle, but I didn't find another interesting shape one that was able to fit in the frame that I have. So I picked a really cool one. This one, for me, I feel like I can hang this one in one of the common spaces because it may be a talk piece. But this one shows the bay of Labadie in Haiti. I'm pretty sure I said that funny because I am not I am not native to Haiti, even though I am Haitian. Everyone tells me who is from Haiti, they tell me I have a heavy tongue when I say Haitian words. But anyway, this is Labadie, okay, and a place there in Haiti. And I wanted something that was, you know, sort of representative of me and, you know, sort of my culture and things like that, but didn't look cartoonish. So I think that, you know, this puzzle was interesting. This one was a wooden puzzle, so it was a bit rougher and harder, so it didn't look as smooth and finished and polished as the other puzzle that I put together, but nonetheless still looks nice. I love like the scenic appeal of it. It definitely matches the aesthetic of my home, and I think that, you know, anybody who sees it will take interest in it and say, oh man, this isn't a picture, this is a puzzle. What is this picture of? And then I will have the opportunity to share with them a little bit about my culture. So that was the whole premise behind my picking this puzzle in particular. I was really hoping for something that could have had an interesting shape, but it is what it is, and that's what we have, and that's what I'm putting on my wall. I haven't scoped out an exact spot for it yet, but once I do pick the spot, I will let you know. The next thing I want to talk about is my black thumb, purple thumb, white thumb, whatever you want to call it, but it ain't a green thumb. I'm serious. I kill everything that I touch. So I share with you guys on another FABLE Friday my updates on the plant that my parents gave me, a plant that I was trying to grow, and the fact that I just ended up having to move it outside and let nature take its course. My parents got me another plant. I have no idea what kind of plant it is, but they told me it was indestructible. I was also told that aloe is indestructible. I killed that. I was also told that it was very easy to grow mint. Didn't do that. So I am very hopeful. So far it has been here for 2 weeks. Tomorrow it'll be 2 weeks that it's been here, and it is flourishing. So anyway, if you guys know what kind of plant that is, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know much about plants. But if you know what the name of this plant is, I would love to know, so that when people come to my home and say, oh, that's pretty, it's growing, what kind of plant is that, I can say the name. So if you know, go ahead and hit me in the comments down below. The last thing I want to talk about is my skin journey. I have hit sort of a plateau, I think, around the skin journey. One of the things I have noticed and I've shared with you is that I don't have crazy breakouts, but when I do have any kind of blemish, it still does leave a scar behind. And I am always combating yet a new scar coming in on my face. So I think I'm going to have one coming here because there was a pimple that wanted to form. It didn't form, and it's very, very low, and just I can feel it being rough right here. So I know I'm going to get a scar right here. That's just how easily my skin scars. So I don't know. I don't really know how I should combat that. I'm doing things that are supposed to clear your skin and brighten your skin. So anyway, with that being said, I saw that Ava's Naturals, the company that makes my vitamin C serum that I use, the skin clearing serum, and that has been doing wonders on my face, they came out with another product called the All Natural Botanical Serum. And in here it has jojoba oil, carrot oil, rosehip oil, and raspberry seed oil. 3 oils that I'm already using in one form or another. So jojoba, I told you guys I use as always, you know, I use it whether to replenish the moisture in my skin sometimes. Or I don't know, that's what I use it for. And then the rosehip oil, I use it, you know, in the mixture with my skin cream and my sunblock. I kind of mix it in there, and I also use it as my eye cream in the evenings. So, quote unquote, eye cream as in the evening. I put a little dab of rosehip oil under my eyes. The raspberry seed oil is an ingredient in the charcoal soap that I use every day. So I am excited to see that it's in here. But carrot oil is something completely new for me. And I love that this is a serum that includes all of the wonderful oils that I normally use. So now when I do my routine and I put my vitamin C serum on, let that soak in completely, I will, you know, take a few dabs of my oil serum here and, you know, press, and I don't have to like go through and get a whole bunch of different oils from my, you know, my cabinet to try to figure out what I want to do or what I want to accomplish with my skin. So this is supposed to brighten the skin. It's supposed to unclog pores, a whole bunch of different things. I am gonna, you know, put my money on this horse and see how it works out, and I'll keep you posted. But I wanted to let you know that I am switching up the routine just a little bit because I feel like I've hit a plateau. This is kind of like as good as it's going to get for now. And I can't stop getting out in the sun. So that's also, even with sunblock, and, you know, I'm just not actually wearing a hat with sunblock, I'm still kind of taking a few steps back every time I go out in the sun because I lighten the scars and then the sun tans them, right? So I'm just kind of going back and forth with that. So it probably won't be until winter comes around where I'll see some really beautiful effects of this thing that I'm doing, which I'll still be doing because I'm loving how it's looking, right? I'm looking a lot brighter, a lot more youthful, a lot healthier. In my opinion, I feel like I look healthier without all of the blemishes and scars and stuff, and the pores have shrunk quite a bit. I'm pleased. Even if this plateau were to be where I stop forever, it's a 180 from where I started, and you guys saw that in some of my earlier videos. And I'll probably pop down below or above or somewhere if you want to look back at what that looks like. But I'm happy. I'm just trying to take it over to just a little bit more, and hopefully I don't overdo it by using this. So that brings us to the end. I don't have much more to talk about. I don't know if you're looking at my necklace. This is from Adornia. I absolutely love their pieces. I don't know if you were looking at it or not, but this one is of my name. I don't know if it's all facing the right way, but this is my name. It's a laureate necklace, and you can get it customized. I'm absolutely loving their jewelry. I have about 4 or 5 of their pieces at this point. And of course, at some point, I'm probably going to get some more. I have ordered some other things in the mail that are coming. Hopefully they come, because some of them are coming USPS. Some are coming from China. They're coming from all over. So I have a lot more to share with you guys coming up. Stay tuned. Hope you subscribed. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share it with your friends, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. Bye.